The depletion of Earth's resources is a pressing challenge, and landfills are expected to reach maximum capacity in the near future. The EU is tackling environmental challenges with eco-design and digital product passport regulations, extending their influence worldwide. We need to shift from linear production and mass consumption to a circular economy. And at the heart of this economy of resource circulation and sharing is data. Data on where materials were sourced and used, and how they were recycled, adds maximum value to the products and materials that circulate. But, with so many different products and materials in the world, converting them all into data requires substantial effort. Our tagging solutions and auto ID systems can eliminate this hassle. SATO has a wealth of experience tracking and managing a wide variety of items. With our expertise, we can mix and match technologies that best meet the purpose. We have already developed solutions for tracking waste fill levels using AI image recognition and providing traceability in waste management to maintain the quality of recycled materials. And our RFID technology will provide item-level identification required for digital product passports to provide end-to-end traceability. SATO continues to partner with key players to build a circular economy for our future.